Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. We know energy prices are going higher, so in this particular video, I want to talk about two tickers. The first one is ticker symbol IMPP, and the next one will be ticker symbol INDO. And if you look at the chart, INDO was up by 34% today, even 5% after hours. At the same time, if you look at IMPP, 39%, and again another 3%. So both of them are looking really good, and we did trading on these two ones because the Indo, we talked about it in the morning when it was around 11.6, and look what happened. Now it is 15.29. The other one was IMPP. We talked about it since last night, and once we talked about in the morning it was 1.77, and now it is 2.14. So both of those stock did really good over our Discord, and we made a lot of money. So anyway, if you like this kind of early alert with support, resistance, and some rational why, then please join my Discord. The links will be in the first comment and also in the description box. So just become a patron and get access to my Discord for early alerts. So anyway, let's talk about the tickers. So looking at the tickers, you can see that this is the Indo chart, right? On a daily chart, you can see how this thing is shaping up, looking really promising. On the other hand, if you look at IMPP, same thing, it has been going higher. So I'm going to start with INDO, and then I will go back to IMPP. So first of all, if you look at the chart on INDO, look what happened. It came all the way to 2.77, and recently, last few days, on a daily candle, you can see each and every day it is almost green, looking really solid. If you look on a RSI, looks like it is overstretched, but it's still over 70. On the other hand, MACD, the buying pressure came a lot, now consistent. Now how we are trading, we are trading this since 6.5, and now this is almost $14-15, so more than doubling your money. So congratulations who has been trading with me over our Discord and making some money. So what happened today? So in the morning, what we did, our pre-market brief was like we knew that the energy will go up. So you can see previously it hit the target of 15.85, came down, moved sideways. Again the other day pre-market it went up, came down, but what it did, it was holding the area. You see here the $11, 10.5, these range. So in the morning our plan, okay, we will trade this, and pre-market it was up. So when we spotted that, the whole idea was to have this particular area 12.3. So the idea was if it holds 12.3, we will get in, but you see it broke, came down a little bit to 11.9, then it started running up. So anyway, looking at the chart, looking very promising. If you look here, I'm just gonna put it here. So 15.14 is a 1 2 3 top, right? If you look at after hour, it is at 15.29. So currently we are over this particular line. So very exciting. The after hour looking very exciting. If in the pre-market we gap up even, it will be even higher. It will be all-time high. The all-time high is looking 16.35. Once we go over, it will do a nice move. Look how the volume came end of the day. Very exciting. If you go to Nasdaq, it has a strong buy rating with an average price target of 15. I just see one name, but it says 15 with a strong buy, and this is Noble Financial. I don't know who they are, but they came up with 15. But the most exciting thing is, if you see currently there is no share available to short, zero share available to short, and the cost to borrow, the borrow fee rate is 375%. So if you are shorting this, you have to pay a lot of interest. So very nice, because once the volume will come, it has no shares available to short, it has very high cost to borrow fee rate. At the same time, volume is coming. Look at the chart last few days how the volume is coming. So today's volume was not that high compared to previous volume of 18, but who knows, maybe more volume will come tomorrow, it will move again. If you're playing, always have a stop loss in case it comes down. In terms of short interest, as per Fintel, the short interest is 10.2% and off exchange interest rate is 26%, which is high. So the setup is looking really nice. Okay, so next I want to talk about ticker symbol IMPP. So in terms of IMPP, look at the daily chart. So again, this thing came down, and with the energy prices going up, each and every day it has been going higher. Look at the volume, look at the MACD, right? So on a daily perspective, you can see the MACD, the buying pressure is decreasing a little bit, the RSI is coming down, but still it moved a lot today. So I'm going to turn on the lines here, because we have been trading this almost like 3-4 days, and we are consistent on making this particular one. So I want to look at how this thing is moving. So recently it went to 2.63. You can see here it went to 2.63. Then the previous day it got slaughtered. It came all the way to 1.4, where it has a strong support. So after hour it held 1.4, it went up pre-market, it went up even higher. So our idea is, okay, if it can go over 1.8, if it can hold, then we will trade. You can see that once in the morning we said 1.8 is the resistance. So if we can break, we can go over 1.8, then enter. So if you did that, so from 1.8 it was a nice trade, from 1.8 all the way to 2.1, 15% profit. Then it came down, moved sideways, did some rectangular consolidation. Again, it pushed, right? So end of the day, it was trying to break the 2.1 barrier. If you look after hours, you can see it is now at 2.14. Why this is important? Because this is the area it is trying to break for some time. If we can break 2.2, this is an important area. See how far we can go again. From 2.2, we have some room all the way to 2.4. And do not forget, recently it went to 2.6, 2.8. Both are looking really nice so far. Do not enter blindly. Watch pre-market, make a new plan, then you enter, okay? So in terms of volume, look at the volume today. The average volume is 38 million and today's volume is 90 million. So more than 2 times volume came today. Same setup like Indo, zero shares available to short, and also the cost to borrow fee rate is 381%. If I go to Fintel, it shows off exchange short volume ratio is 46%. All are looking good. In terms of volume, it is getting consistent volume. It got more volume compared to yesterday's volume. I'm very excited. If tomorrow we get more than 100 million or even 150 million, this thing will explode for sure. So just wanted to make this video to bring these two tickers to you, because we did day trading on this particular one. You can see in the morning we have the alert for INDO, IMPP, and few others. Sophie did really good today. It came down in the morning, then it made a nice run up on the other side. Then we had PLTR, it moved good. We had charge point, it was moving sideways. Then after hour, because of the great earning, I think they moved almost like 7-8%. So a very nice day. So if you want this kind of early alert for day trading, swing trading, even for option, please join my community. The link will be in the description box. At the same time, in the first comment, join my Patreon, get access to my Discord, and let's make some money together. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.